Hey, do you want to invite wealth, abundance, and success into your life this Yugadi? If yes, then listen carefully. Yugadi is not just another festival, it is the beginning of a new year, a cosmic reset, a time when the universe opens its doors for fresh opportunities. Just like a farmer sows seeds for a rich harvest, today we will plant the seeds of financial abundance through a sacred process known as Prosperity Sankalpa. Today, I will share 8 Vedic wealth codes, each designed to attract prosperity, remove financial obstacles, and set the foundation for a wealthy year ahead. If you stay with me till the end, I will also reveal a rare Yugadi night ritual that can shift your financial destiny in just a few minutes. So, let's start this new year with prosperity. Step 1. Cleanse your energy and home. Okay, first things first. Before inviting wealth, we need to remove old, stagnant energy. So, on the morning of Yugadi, you must take a full body oil bath. This is called Abhyanga Snana. This washes away all negative energies. While bathing, chant Om Hreem Shreem Lakshmi Vasudevaya Namaha. This is super important. It purifies your aura and makes way for prosperity. The second wealth code, that is for your home. Listen carefully. Mix rock salt, turmeric, and kumkum in water and mop the entire home. This removes financial blockages, and after that, sprinkle it at your home's entrance while saying Dhanya Sampatti Bhavatu. Dhanya Sampatti Bhavatu. May wealth and prosperity enter my home. And one more thing, sprinkle Ganga Jal or Gomutra in the corners of your house. This cleanses all negativity and creates a divine space for wealth attraction. But before doing all these things, you have to remove broken items, old clothes, and unnecessary clutter because these create blockages in your financial energy. Do this and you will notice a sudden increase in opportunities and unexpected financial gains. The third wealth code is Lakshmi Vasam activation. If you want to attract money like a magnet, this is the third step. The ancient rishis discovered that certain objects hold the power to invite prosperity. On Yugadi morning, take a gold or silver coin or any precious metal. Place it in front of a lit ghee lamp and chant Om Shreem Mahalakshmiye Namaha for 21 times. Let the coin absorb the wealth energy, and after chanting, keep it in your wallet or cash box all year. This simple ritual transforms your wealth frequency and attracts money flow. The fourth wealth code, the Yugadi Lakshmi Puja. On Yugadi day, you must do a special Lakshmi Puja at home because Yugadi is the best time to call upon Goddess Lakshmi's blessings. What you need to do is first draw a red swastik at your entrance. This welcomes positive energy. Then offer lotus flowers and a 5 rupee coin to Goddess Lakshmi. The fifth wealth code, Kubera Wealth Jar, your personal money magnet. Now, let me tell you about a very special secret, the Kubera Wealth Jar. This is a simple yet super powerful technique to attract money. Here is what you need to do. Take a small glass jar, not plastic, okay? Fill it with 3 coins, 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 copper. Add 7 cloves, 5 cardamoms, a pinch of saffron and 1 dried tulsi leaf. Got it? Now here comes the most important part. Where do you keep it? Place this jar in the north direction of your home, as this is the direction of Lord Kubera, the god of wealth, and chant Om Yakshaya Kuberaya Vaishravanaya Dhanadhanyadi Pataye Swaha while looking at the jar. Try this and watch how money flows into your life. The 6th wealth code is Yugadi's sacred food ritual. Vedic traditions teach that food is not just for the body. It programs our wealth consciousness. What you eat on Yugadi sets the financial tone for the year. The most powerful money attracting foods are jaggery, that sweetens your financial luck. Neem leaves removes past of financial karma. Ghee strengthens money stability. And the last thing, turmeric, that activates golden opportunities. But before eating, say this money magnet mantra. Lakshmi Pravaha Bhavatu. Lakshmi Pravaha Bhavatu. May the flow of wealth always stay with me. This meal nourishes your body and aligns you with financial success. The 7th wealth code. The 7-word prosperity sankalpa. What if I told you that just 7 words could change your financial future? The Vedic text mentions that spoken words are seed of creation. What you say today manifests tomorrow. On Yugadi, write this powerful prosperity sankalpa on a red paper. Money flows to me in infinite ways. Money flows to me in infinite ways. Then follow this process. Place this written affirmation in a yellow envelope. Keep it inside your prayer space, wallet, or business place. Repeat the words daily at sunrise and before sleeping. Within weeks, you will start experiencing money flowing from unexpected sources. The 8th wealth code is the sacred mango leaf wealth ritual. What you need to do is write your name and birth date on a fresh mango leaf using turmeric paste. Keep it in your puja room and chant Dhanam Dehi, Sukham Dehi, Sarvakaryam Siddhim Dehi. After 3 days, immerse the leaf in a river or plant it in soil for growing prosperity. But to truly lock in the energy of prosperity, you need to perform the final, the most powerful wealth code. That is the Yugadi Prosperity Vault. Imagine having a vault of unlimited wealth energy that can access any time. That's exactly what this ritual does. On Yugadi night, perform this simple wealth lock-in technique. Take a clay or brass bowl and fill it with rice, a gold or silver coin, and a little ghee. Place both hands over the bowl and say, I receive unlimited wealth and financial blessings. I receive unlimited wealth and financial blessings. Keep this bowl in your prayer space or business area and do this every full moon to amplify prosperity. This is like storing wealth energy for the entire year. Finally, Yugadi is not just a festival. It is a gateway to prosperity, abundance, and a new beginnings. By following these Vedic wealth codes, you are activating the financial blessings meant for you. Tell me in the comments, which wealth code are you trying first? Like, share and subscribe if you are ready to receive abundance. Stay tuned for more Vedic prosperity techniques and manifestation rituals. Thank you one and all.